Hey guys, welcome back on this Financial Service Cloud video. So today in this video we are going to talk about how to personalize event and milestone with the custom icons. So let me just open the person account record. Okay, just for an example, if you want to change the icon for this event types, so yes, you can do it. So for that, go to setup, find for uh, icons and click on event and milestone from here. So on the business milestone or the personalized event, person life event that you would like to change the icon, so yes, you can do it. So just for an example, if I want to change icon for the car, okay, car event type, so let me just have a look. Let me just upload this file, click on save. Okay, you can see the icon is changed. Let's see on the UI. Okay, if you if you have a look on this, the icon was changed. Okay, and yes, one more thing which we need to make sure is that the file must be in SVG format. Okay, so please make sure the file is in SVG format. Yes, I'm done with this. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you.